So this is how you can make a schedule for studying using your iPad. Well, there are plenty of different ways and options on how you can do this. So I'm going to show you the way which I personally use and I quite like. And it is a third-party app called Class Timetable. This is what it looks like. There are so many different apps on the App Store, but this one just works really well. It's very clean looking, and using this, you can also integrate it into your phone and Mac as well. You also have widgets, so it is really useful. You even have an Apple Watch app if you use it, so it's really cool. But essentially, the app makes it really simple and clean to use. So you just start it and go to any of your days, right? And just set up an activity which you're going to be doing on every single, let's say, Thursday or Friday at that specific time, right? So usually your weeks and days are going to be similar. So you just set it up that way and it really just works, right? It's not like a calendar where you just schedule some meetings and things in between. These are like things set in stone and essentially you have to stick with it. And that's like a timetable or scheduling for studying on your iPad. So as I said, it's really useful. You have to manually go through it and just type that in, but it's a lot of fun if you ask me. So you can go ahead and do that. And also, as I said, you can add a widget or have it always visible on your wrist on the Apple Watch. So really cool stuff. I'm not affiliated with the app and it is free to use, but there are some add-ons, some premium features, which I'm not sure what exactly is required, but there are some in-app purchases for the Pro version. So yeah, if you want to, you can go ahead and just do that. But that's it for me. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later on in the next one.